Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add TSA PreCheck to your American Airlines account. This process is straightforward, so be sure to watch until the end to catch every important detail. The first step is to log into your American Airlines account. For that, simply navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in American Airlines, and in the search results, you'll have to simply navigate to www.aa.com's website and click on Your Account option. After that, you will see this page. Simply type in your username, password, and log in by clicking on this login button using your user credentials. If you're an existing user, you'll have to just add your A-Advantage or username, your last name, and your password. Then click on login to access your account. Once logged in, you will notice the login button is now replaced by your name in the top right corner. Click on your name to access your passenger details. In passenger details section, you will need to fill all the required information. This includes your first and last name, date of birth, gender, country, and region of residence. To add TSA PreCheck, you need to input your known traveler number and, if applicable, your redress number. If you don't already have a KTN, you can easily apply for one. Simply navigate to a new tab on your browser, type in TSA PreCheck American Airlines. Then scroll down and click on this www.aa.com's website that will say TSA PreCheck. After clicking on this, you will see this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on this Apply for TSA PreCheck link in blue. After you click on it, you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, simply scroll down and you will see how this works. Click on Enrollment Location option and enter your zip code and apply for a TSA PreCheck. So once you fill out the information and apply for the TSA PreCheck, and once it's get approved, you will receive your KTN. Simply enter that number in your American Airlines account. After entering your known traveler number, save your details and you're all set. TSA PreCheck will now be linked to your American Airlines flights. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching.